Hi guys and girls, back again with another taste challenge test, and this is one I have to confess I've been putting off for a while. It's cheese, and this is cheddar cheese with Carolina Reaper chillies. There's the packaging. And how will I get on with it? Let's see. Very, very hot. It has cheddar cheese, chili powder, sugar, red pepper, jalapeno, chili, spices, white wine vinegar, salt, onion, bell peppers, dried onion, garlic, tomato, parsley, concentrated lemon juice and Reaper chili, along with chili extract with a paprika colouring. So, enough talk. Let's see if I can get into it. Dare I get into it? I can smell the chilies. Wow. Wish me well with this, folks. My mouth watering before I start. Have a piece of a cracker first. These are garlic crackers from Asda, and they're lovely. Right then guys, here we go. That little bit of Reaper there. Ooh. Oh my God. Wow. That's all I've got to say about that one. That is a wow, man. Try a bigger bit this time. I think if I eat it quick it won't burn as much. The burn on that is absolutely incredible. As you can see, it's got 8 chilies on. And I think a vindaloo comes in at 3. A fowl comes in at 6. And this is 8 chilies on the Richter scale, so to speak. Goodness me, that's clearing the sinuses. Whew. At this particular moment in time, I'm starting to sweat, as you can see. I think the hiccups are going to start. The roof of my mouth is burning. My throat is burning. And all this for entertainment, eh? My ears are tickling. Come on. Oh. Oh, wow. The Carolina Reaper chillies used in this cheese are extremely hot. Avoid contact with eyes, sensitive areas, and thoroughly wash hands after handling. Keep away from children and pets. And this product should be avoided if you are pregnant, if you have asthma, skin allergies, or digestive sensitivities. Make everyone fully aware of the potential danger if eaten or handled improperly. Wow. Do excuse me, folks. Certainly making the nose run. Said it before, but why? Why do we do it to ourselves? I think of all the Reaper challenges that I've done, this one is the second worst for the heat. Wow. This is really, really hot. It's not unpleasant, and neither is it pleasant, to be fair. A nice texture on the cheese. And funnily enough, as you're chewing it, there's no real burn at all. The burn comes when you swallow. Oh dear. I'm wet through with sweat now. What an amazing little packaging. Such power in such a tiny thing. Wow. A shout out to the Lonestar Crew. If you're watching this one, guys, give it a go. Wow. Oh dear. Wow. Woo, 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 woo. Holy smokes, that is hot, man. I said before that the roof of my mouth was on fire. My throat was on fire. Now my tongue is on fire. And even my gums. Wow, I don't believe that's damn near melted my fillings. Wow, wow, wow. So it's nearly Christmas. I wonder if Father Christmas would like some of this left with a mince pie this year. She'll get me on naughty list. Well guys and girls, on that note, I shall leave it. And there you go. Carolina Reaper. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching an old man suffer. Please click like if you liked it. Feel free to leave a comment and Don't forget to hit the bell icon for any further uploads that will be coming your way. Thank you all again so much. I do appreciate the time that you take to watch. Namaste.